Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11. You'll need a new app to open this Windows Defender link. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. Copy second command from description and paste it. Copy third command from description and paste it. Type Y to continue. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.